Welcome. This is a 20-minute yoga for beginners flexibility sequence, incorporating gentle twists and folds. For this class, you may want to have 2 blocks nearby along with 2 or more pillows. Go ahead and grab those and we'll meet back here on the mat. Let's begin standing at the top of the mat. Place your blocks in front of you at the highest setting. Inhale, hands reach up overhead. Exhale, sliding the left hand down your hip. Right hand reaches up and over for banana pose. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, side bend to your right. Right hand slides down, left hand reaches up and over. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, take a fold, bend the knees, allowing the thighs to really support your torso here. Inhale, hands to your blocks for half lift. Option to come higher today if that feels better for you. Taking a moment here wherever you are, observing the body. Lifting the sit bones, so lengthening through the backs of the legs. Feeling that stretch. Drawing the chest forward. Softening the shoulders. As you exhale, fold, bend the knees. Inhale to standing, hands reaching up overhead. Exhale, heart center. We'll do that flow 2 more times. We'll inhale, reach. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale to standing, hands reaching up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Inhale, reach. Exhale, fold, bend the knees. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, standing, hands reaching up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Go ahead and take your feet wide, either mat width distance or just hip width distance. Interlace your fingers behind your back, pulling the fists towards the mat, opening the chest. As you exhale, begin to bend the knees, taking a fold. Keeping the fists at your sacrum, reaching towards the lower back, or reach them up towards the sky. As you exhale, release. Inhale for half lift. Exhale, place 1 block underneath your heart, so just in the center. Plant the left hand. Inhale, reaching the right hand all the way up overhead. Slight bend in that left knee for a twist. Exhale, release, switching sides. Inhale, left hand reaches up, slight bend in the right knee. As you exhale, go ahead and take a fold, bending both knees. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale to standing, hands reaching up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Go ahead and come to tabletop. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, right hand reaches up. Exhale, thread it underneath the left arm. Left hand reaches up towards the top corner of the mat, or if it's available today, go ahead and take a bind, reaching that left hand to your lower back or towards the right hip. Go ahead and release. Inhale, left hand reaches up. Exhale, thread it underneath the right arm. Option to take a bind. Release. Take a moment here, rock it out. Keeping the hips exactly where they are, begin to walk the hands towards the top of the mat. Feel free to find some organic movement here as you slowly and gently melt the chest down towards the mat for puppy pose. Taking the forehead to the mat. If this is a bit intense today, no worries. It will be pretty intense for many. Option to place a block underneath the forehead, as many as you need, just for a little added height here, a little added support. You can even place a pillow underneath the chest, again for a little support. And we'll gently release, sending the hips towards the heels, forehead, chin, or cheek to the mat for child's pose. Hands are reaching up towards the top of the mat. Option to place a pillow underneath the hips and torso for added support, added height. Using your inhales to create space. Wherever you're feeling tension, tightness in the body. As you exhale, completely let go here, allowing the body to be really heavy, softening the arms, the hands. We'll inhale, release. Come to laying on your back. Back stays flat on the mat as you take the knees over towards your left for a supine twist. Option to place a pillow between the knees if it's a bit intense, the stretch today, and or you can place a pillow underneath both knees for added height. You can also place a pillow or a folded blanket underneath that right shoulder for less of a twist. Once again, using your inhales to create space. Exhales to let go here. Inhale, release. Exhale, taking the knees towards your right. Option to modify for your supine twist. Observing the body and really using your exhales to let go of any tension in the upper body, the lower body. And we'll release. Begin to rock the knees side to side. Hugging the knees towards the chest or as close as you could comfortably get them. Observing the lower back, connecting with the mat, maybe observing the sacrum connecting with the mat. You can gently rock side to side if that feels best. Release, taking the feet to the bottom of the mat, hands to your sides, palms facing up. Taking a short moment out of your day, just one moment, to just be and observe the body and acknowledge the body in its fully present and relaxed state. We'll begin to wake up the body, wiggling the fingers and toes, rocking the head side to side, bending the knees. We'll roll over towards our right, full inhale. And exhale. Gently come to seated. Inhale, hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.